This is Surface Laptop 3. We deliver 1.3 millimeters of perfect travel, about a 19 millimeter pitch between keys and this ever so subtle dish on the keys. We've also increased the trackpad by 20%. We're using a quad-core 10th gen Intel part, and this is in the 10 nanometer Ice Lake family from Intel, which means you're getting incredible performance in that same thinness and beauty of the product. And the team has been working with AMD for quite some time to build you a custom experience on this product specifically. I'd like to introduce to you the AMD Ryzen Microsoft Surface Edition processor. This is the most powerful mobile processor AMD has ever created, bar none. You still get all-day battery life, but I also want to introduce you to fast charging across the entire Surface product line you'll see today. Fast charging is important. Yeah, I heard the wow. What you see there is 80% charge on a full-powered PC in less than an hour. That's what you get in your mobile phone today. The 13-inch laptop is on pre-order right now, as is the 15-inch laptop, with the 13-inch starting at $999 and the 15-inch starting at an amazing $1199. We're pretty excited for you to get it. It'll be in your hands on October 22nd. Let's talk about Surface Pro.
Our design and engineering focus has been on power, performance, and better experiences. And adding USB-C. Today, the Surface Pen works across all Surface products. The other thing that I can do, this is going to be a great hike. Nice. That's even faster than I could have typed it. I love the ability to do voice to text across the platforms. And that sound was captured by the new studio mics, which are also in Surface Laptop. This is the Surface Pro 7 and some amazing features of Office. It's available for pre-order today, and it starts at only $749. These are the new Surface earbuds. Each earbud has 2 mics per ear and filters for better noise reduction. They work on any platform and have 24 hours of battery life. On Android, with a few simple taps, you can open Spotify, and it will start to play the right music for you in that moment. There's no screen required. You can play, pause, skip, or change the volume with just gestures. The captions you see on the screen are created by the earbud in my ear, Microsoft Office, and Azure Cognitive Services coming together to create captions in real time. Surface earbuds will be available later this year, starting at $249.
So this is Surface Pro X. It's 5.3 millimeters thin at its thinnest point. It's worth looking at if you can see that. I'll give you a view right here. It's pretty thin. It's incredibly light. Incredibly light. It's 1.68 pounds. You can see how easy it is to hold. It's got these gorgeous chamfered edges, so when you put it in your hand, it doesn't feel wonky. This still has that same 12-inch chassis. However, we have a 13-inch diagonal, so from corner to corner on this screen, we did this by making the thinnest bezels possible on a 2-in-1 and that are out there today. It's soft on the eyes, 2880 by 1920 resolution with 267 DPI. With SQ1, we pushed the boundary, and the ARM-based platform is starting at a 7-watt chipset, which then, changing the chip itself, re-engineering all the tools, the architecture to an incredibly fast, powerful experience. You will not find this anywhere else out there. And together with Qualcomm, we also redesigned the GPU. What the heck does all that mean? Let me just tell you in plain terms. How about that? Better battery life, lighter, faster, unprecedented performance. Let me just get to this, because it's absolutely my favorite feature. Watch this, if you can get this. Holly, take this shot right here. Do you see this? I'm going to open the type cover, and I'm going to pull out the pen that's stored right in it. This is the Surface Slim Pen. Now, what did I do? I just pulled out a pen that's constantly recharging. And now with Surface Pro X, I just pull the pen out right there. I start writing. I don't have to look for it. It's there forever. I put it in. Once I put it in, it finds its spot. It starts charging. I close it. I take it with me. It is a very, very, very powerful scenario. What do you think? That cool? Surface Pro X is going to be available early November. You can pre-order it right now. I suggest if you want it, you should probably pre-order it. So I want to do something we've not done before. And I want to take a few minutes with you to talk a little bit about the future of our products. We're going to show you a product that's ready next holiday. This is Surface Neo. The device was created to be light and thin, so you can hold it in all its postures. Each side of this product is 5.6 millimeters thin. 5.6. 655 grams, so when you carry it, it feels incredibly light. It's surrounded by Gorilla Glass. It's unbelievably robust. The 360-degree hinge that you see here and what this product can do, and as you feel it, it feels incredible. It's a combination of micro gears adding a torque system that create this perfect feel when opening and closing. There's over 60 micro coax cables that run between these two hinges to create perfect synergy, bringing these two 9-inch screens together. Those coax cables are thinner than a human hair. Now, the keyboard also magnetically seals to the back of the product and integrates perfectly. And then when you're done, you just close it and you take it with you.
I'm excited to be here today to talk about what's powering Surface Neo. It's a new expression of Windows 10 that we've been designing and building for the last couple of years with hundreds of engineers and designers at Microsoft. Today, I am proud to introduce Windows 10X. It was designed and optimized for dual-screen devices, just like Surface Neo. In most cases, it's very simple to take this using an interaction we call spanning, and I can span the application across the two screens. Panos talked to you about the elegance of the hardware keyboard. It magnetically attaches, it's wirelessly charging, and it's always there when I need it. But watch this. The magic is really when we marry that with the software. Look at what Neo does. Did you see that? It recognized the keyboard, and it revealed the Wonderbar. The Wonderbar is another powerful tool that helps you be even more creative and more productive. It gives you rich, expressive input. It even gives me a full trackpad for mouse and cursor input. And it gives me the ability to ink right on there.
In this product is a brand new processor created by Intel called the Intel Lakefield processor. It's a hybrid CPU. It's the first of its kind with an 11th gen graphics engine designed specifically for this product, for dual screens. This is Surface Duo. All the adaptable postures you saw on Surface Neo enabled right here by that same 365-degree hinge. The two side-by-side 5.6-inch displays come together in an incredibly powerful way, enabling every single one of the postures you see there. And this product brings together the absolute best of Microsoft. And we're partnering with Google to bring together the absolute best of Android into one product. This is a powerful product. This will come holiday 2020.